section your hair so you can start bleaching the parts that you want.
I can't believe I believe.
Pin it down, part the back, and start parting some of the back out, because I'm only bleaching. Split the hair down the middle, take some out, start to put the foil, the bleach on the roots all the way down to the ends. When you get to the ends, roll it up, start bleaching it side to side, and then you want to take the foils, fold it like a book, and start the next section.
Foolish of me to compete when you cheat when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blinded.
I want to add more bleach to the section because it already processed very fast. As you can see, it's already lightened. I want it more lightener. Take a section, go through it, make sure there's no line of demarcation.
Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way.
Take your hairbrush and go through it with the hair. And then I'm going to let this sit on there for a little bit more.
Tell me how have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. Are you tryna leave? You miss. I said I dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one, two step, one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. Are you tryna leave? There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Tryna leave. Oh. Now I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie, you can understand. Y'all make the hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. You let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Listen, wait, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you hit me 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it.
I give her like